Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am here with my dogs and we are going to review this, oops, one of the dogs knocked it over already. This dog bark control collar. So we're gonna give this thing a try. It's very cool. It has the ability to do it by just bark beep. It can beep when you bark, it can beep vibrate, it can beep and vibrate, or beep, vibrate, and shock if you so desire to shock. I'm not a big fan of shocking, but let's see what's inside. So we have our instruction manual. I have to kind of hide everything as I open it because these dogs are going to eat it. We have the bark collar with a very long collar, so you could have a very big dog. It could even fit me. We have a charging cable, which is USB to a proprietary looking magnet plug to charge it with. We have the little shocking pins here, the little pins that they go into the neck to kind of, they can feel it. We have the little rubber covers. I think those kind of cover it a little bit so it'll be softer. We have the tester for testing the shockness of it. It lights up when it shocks. So let's try this thing out. Let's put on some of these little nubs and give this thing a go. So we have, in these four little things, we have short ones and long ones. So I'll put on the long ones for right now. Why not? These are hairy dogs. We're gonna try some long probes. So the way that it goes on, you just have the screw and screw it up. And there's one, and there's the other. And now let me go get the rubber tips for it so it's not so hard. The dogs are very interested in everything. There's 3 dogs here, that's why they're all around. Okay, and then so these are the little tips, so let's put these on here. So let's see, just slides over there, and there, so there, we have those on there, so hopefully now we're not gonna shock anybody. And we will turn it on, so the on button is here. Hold it on to turn it on. Oh, maybe I turned it off, maybe it was on, I can't remember. There we go. So now it's on, and you see up in the corner it has that, the blue is the beep, that one's vibrate, and then if I hit the mode button, and now it's beep, vibrate, and shock. And there it's just beep, there it's just vibrate, there it's those two, which is what I would use. So I'm not sure how to change that is I guess the number of seconds that it goes for. It's like, so now it's a 2-second beep or something. So let's see if we bark, what happens here. I don't know, it's not doing anything. Do you guys bark? I don't know how to make it go. Let me see. Let me see what I need to do here to make it go. It's forbidden. 3 bars, battery, blinks, no, stay away from it. Oh, it's the sensitivity level is the number there. So when it's on probably 1 or 2, it's not very sensitive. So I need to make it more sensitive. So now it's 8 sensitivity being the most sensitive. Oh, so now it's really sensitive. So see, it beeps and it vibrates. And so that's what it's doing. So now it's on super sensitive. So it won't go twice. So actually kind of cool though. So I don't know if you heard it beep and vibrate, but that's how it works. So kind of cool. I like this one. So this is the dog bark control collar. So 4 stop barking modes. So very cool. So thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.